आपके सामने है क्लास 6 इंग्लिश एस विथ एस्टर चैप्टर नंबर 5 मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन एंड द नेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन, वाई वाज ही कंसिडर्ड मिस्टीरियस। आंसर है इसमें मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन वाज अ लोकल प्रीस्ट इन अ स्मॉल विलेज। ही वाज कंसिडर्ड मिस्टीरियस बिकॉज ऑफ हिज स्ट्रेंज एक्टिविटी. He was deeply involved in spiritual pursuits and material comfort occupied a secondary place in his life. Question number 2. Why was Mullah Nasruddin forced to sell his ancestor's house? आंसर है इसमें मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन फाइनेंशियली डिफिकल्टीज फोर्स हिम टू सेल हिज एंसिस्टर हाउस टू हिज crooked neighbor. Question number 3. Who wanted to buy the house? How did he get it from the mullah? Mullah Nasruddin neighbor wanted to buy the house. He got it from the mullah with a pitiful price and with a small clause in the contract by the mullah. Question number 4. What clause did Nasruddin add to the contract? Nasruddin added the clause that he should be allowed to keep the ownership of the nail on the wall of the living room, do whatever he wanted to do with it. Question number 5. What was the neighbor's wife angry? Why was the neighbor's wife angry with him? Answer इसमें she was angry because Nasruddin kept returning to his worship the nail. The first time he hung his turban, then his scarf, then coat, and ultimately brought the sack full of cow dung to hang. Obviously, the wife was furious with her husband. She threatened to leave him. Question number 6. Why did the neighbor call for a meeting with a council of elders? What ruling did they give? Answer इसमें the neighbor felt that Nasruddin had crossed his limits, so he called the meeting for the councils of elders. The assembly of wise men studied the contract between him and Nasruddin. They found nothing wrong with what Nasruddin had done and eventually dismissed the case. The neighbor lost the case. Question number 7. How did Mullah Nasruddin get his house back? The neighbor's wife refused to allow Mullah to continue worship the nail in spite of his wise man's verdict. There was long argument between the husband and wife. Finally, the neighbor asked Mullah to buy his house back at a bargain price. Nasruddin happily agreed and moved back into his house. अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर बी में. फर्स्ट लाइन है इसकी, माई फादर नेवर हैड द चांस टू फिनिश हैमरिंग इट इन. Question number A. What is being referred to here by the speaker? The object being referred to here is the nail sticking out of the wall of the living room of Nasruddin's house. Question number B. Why is the speaker's father not able to complete the job? Why does the speaker mention it now? His father had a massive heart attack and died before he could complete the hammering the nail in. Question number 2. This is going too far. We cannot have that. Question number A. Who says this to whom? तो इसमें पूछा गया किसने ये शब्द किसके लिए कहे. द नेबर से दिस टू द मुल्ला. क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. व्हाट हैड द लिसनर डन? आंसर इसमें ही ब्रोट अ सैक फुल ऑफ काउ डंग टू हैंग इट ऑन द नेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. डस द लिसनर स्टॉप व्हाट ही इज डूइंग? वाई? No, the listener went on to hang the cow dung on his nail. Think and answer. What do you think of the neighbor and his wife? Did they deserve what they got? Give reason. Answer इसमें the neighbor and his wife were both crooked and tried to take advantage of Mullah's bad days. They deserve what they got. Question number 2. Is Mullah Nasruddin the hero of the story or the villain? Is playing trick on people a good way to get what you want? Explain with real life example. Mullah Nasruddin is the hero of the story. Playing trick and taking advantage of people is not good, especially when they are in trouble. But sometimes it's okay to play trick on the people who cheat you. Take back what belong to you without harming anyone. तो यहाँ पर हमारे सारे इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट हुए हैं. और साथ में अगर आपने चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं देखा है तो उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक मिलेगा, वहाँ से आप एक्सप्लेनेशन तक पहुँच सकते हो. तो स्टोरी को आपको अगर हिंदी में समझना है तो लिंक को ओपन कीजिए डिस्क्रिप्शन से और वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें. वीडियो को आखिर तक देखने के लिए शुक्रिया. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.